Using visuals to support your message. Hello learners! Today, we'll dive into how you can make your presentations more impactful. We all know the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, in the realm of presentations, this couldn't be truer. We're focusing on using visuals to support the message. Let's get started. Visual aids, when used correctly, can significantly enhance the effectiveness of a presentation. Here's why. 1. Engage the audience. Visuals can capture and maintain audience attention. 2. Clarify and emphasize. They can help illustrate complex ideas and emphasize key points. 3. Aid memory. People are more likely to remember visual information than spoken words alone. 4. Increase understanding. Combining visuals with verbal explanations can make concepts clearer. There are various types of visual aids you can use. 1. Images and photographs. Use real-life photos to add authenticity. 2. Graphs and charts. Ideal for representing statistics, trends, and comparisons. 3. Diagrams. Break down complex ideas or processes. 4. Infographics. Combine images and text for a comprehensive overview. 5. Videos. These can offer a dynamic change of pace and illustrate real-life situations. Designing effective visuals is an art. Here are some essential tips. 1. Simplicity is key. Overly complex visuals can be distracting. Stick to the point. 2. Consistent style. Ensure a consistent look and feel throughout your presentation. 3. Readable text. If you include text, ensure it's large enough to be seen from the back of a room. 4. Use of color. Colors can evoke emotions and highlight information, but don't go overboard. Stick to a cohesive color scheme. 5. Relevance. Ensure every visual is directly related to the topic of discussion. While visuals are great, they come with potential pitfalls. 1. Over-reliance. Remember, visuals support your message. They don't replace it. 2. Too much information. Overloading a single visual with too much info can confuse your audience. 3. Low-quality images. Blurry or pixelated images can appear unprofessional. 4. Going off topic. Ensure each visual is relevant to your main point. And that's a wrap on using visuals to amplify your message. Remember, the goal of any visual is to support and enhance your verbal communication, not overshadow it. With the right visuals, you can leave a lasting impression. We hope this video helps you take your presentation skills to the next level. Happy presenting!